welcome back to Home Decor 101, your little corner of YouTube for all things stylish and beautiful in the home. Today, let's jump into a home decor quickie. So today we're talking about a hot topic in tiny bedroom design. What happens when your bed has to go right up against the window? Don't worry, this layout can actually be a game changer if you do it right. Now, placing the bed at the window might feel like breaking a design rule, but in small rooms, it can actually open up the space and create a beautiful focal point. Instead of fighting the layout, just work with it, roll with it. Use light, airy curtains or Roman shades to frame the window without blocking the natural light. A low profile headboard or even no headboard lets the window shine while still keeping the bed grounded. If you want more drama, try a canopy bed or arched headboard that adds architectural interest against the glass. Add symmetry with matching nightstands and lamps to anchor the bed and give the space balance. And here's a little tip. Choose bedding that complements the view outside. Nature-inspired colors like soft blues or greens or even really crisp whites can tie the room together beautifully. Don't forget, just because your bed is at the window doesn't mean it can't be stylish and smart and chic. Use the space under the bed for storage and keep window treatments simple so they don't overwhelm your room. So, to answer your question, yes, you can put your bed in front of the window and still have a stunning, cozy bedroom. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and check the description for some of my favorite bedding and small space finds. See you next time with more cozy home decor ideas.